everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Pizzeria rod skin and fix it. So in this latest fix it update, you can get a brand new rod skin for free, the Pizzeria rod skin. And first, just head over to the just go to the classic island, the new island, and then just meet the NPC pizza man, this one, and then just talk to him, and then just tap on cut these slices like this. And then in here you will ask to fish a pizza slices. You can fish these pizza slices anywhere around this island, so no need to look for a special spot. But keep in mind this pizza slice is a rarity. This pizza slice, this one. So make sure you are using at least a mid-tier rod and bait like steampunk or midnight rod. And after you have collected all 8 pizza slices, just go back to the NPC, and then just tap on the please slice, this one, until the slice is full, and then you will automatically receive the Pizzeria rod skin. And right now I haven't finished the quest yet since I still need more pizza slices, but the rod should look something like this. Like this. Oh, okay, looks like my quest menu is a bit bugged, so the preview isn't showing, but yeah, that's basically how you get it. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!